We'll go for one more example. That is question number 10. If p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3, x square minus 4x plus 3. Evaluate p of 2 minus p of minus 1 plus p of 1 by 2. Here total 3 terms are given. We will find separate, then lastly apply in this. Okay. First one, what is given? P of 2. In the place of x, instead of x, what we are substituting? 2. Okay. Applying this, 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 3. 2 square value is 4. 4 2s are 8 plus 3. 4 minus 8. So minus 4 plus 3. What is answer? Minus 1. P of 2 value is minus 1. Now we'll go for P of minus 1. That is second term. Applying the same, minus 1 square minus 4 into minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 square value, that is plus 1, minus into minus plus 4, and last one plus 3. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. What is this value? P of minus 1 is equal to 8. And last term, what is P of 1 by 2? X value is 1 by 2. Applying this again, 1 by 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. And here, one cancel it, 2 2s are. What is remaining? Minus 2 plus 3. Then 3 minus 2 plus 1. 1 by 4, no change. 3 minus 2 plus 1. Take LCM. 4 is LCM. 4 ones are 4. That is 1 plus 4. What is final answer is 5 by 4. P of 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 4. Now write all together in this. P of 2 minus of P of minus 1 plus P of 1 by 2. Apply all together now. What is the P of 2 value we got here? Minus 1. Then P of minus 1 is what is here? Minus 8. And plus P of 1 by 2 value? 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Okay. Now minus 1 minus 8. That is minus 9 plus 5 by 4. Take LCM. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are. LCM is 4. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 5. Minus 36 plus 5. What is answer? Minus 31 by 4. The final answer of this P of 2 minus P of minus 1 plus P of 1 by 2 is equal to what is answer? Minus 31 by 4. Minus 31 by 4. That is evaluate of this one. The value is minus 31 by 4. We will go for one more example. That is question number 11. X minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of px square plus 5x plus r. Then show that p is equal to r. Here both are factors of given polynomial. Finally we have to prove p is equal to r. Okay. Now we will go for the first one. X minus 2 is a factor of given polynomial. Okay. That is, I am assuming like p of x is equal to px square plus 5x plus r. X minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to what is 2. These two apply in first one. P of 2 is equal to p into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus r is equal to 0. 2 square value 4. 4p plus 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10 and last one is r. Okay. That you can take as is equal to 0. 4p plus 10 plus r is equal to 0. That is equation 1. Now come to the second one. What is the second one? X minus 1 by 2 is a factor of same polynomial again. That is p of 1 by 2. That is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to what is? 1 by 2. Apply here same value in this. P into 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus r is equal to 0. That is also equal to 0. Here p into gets 1 by 2 square. P no change. 1 by 2 whole square is it's a 1 by 4. That means p by 4. Clear? Now here also 5 ones are 5 by 2. 5 by 2. And last one r is equal to 0. Now take LCM in this. What is LCM? 4 is LCM. P here multiply with 2. Here also 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 5 2s are 10 here. Then last one 4r. This is 4r after LCM. That is multiply and divide with 4. Okay? Is equal to 0. Now take right side cross multiply. 4 zeros 0. What is the remaining term now here? P plus 10 plus 4r is equal to 0. That is number 2. Now both are factors. That means first one is equal to 0 and second one also 0. Now equal to 1 is equal to 2, you write it. 1 is equal to 2. Why we are equating right both? Because both are equal to 0 only. Equal now 4p plus 10 plus r is equal to, what is the second one? P plus 10 plus 4r. First cancel 10 10, both the sides same. Now variable separate. What is here? P left side 4p. If you take left side, it is will become minus p. Here already what we have here? 4r. Take r right side. This minus r. 4r minus r. 4p minus p. What is answer? 3p. 4r minus r is 3r. 3 cancel. Then what is remaining? P is equal to r. I think done. See here. X minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of px square plus 5x plus r. Then show that p is equal to r. That is finally completed. P is equal to r. Now children, we will go for one more example. That is question number 12. If x minus 1 by x is equal to 21 by 10. If x minus 1 by x is equal to 21 by 10. Find x square plus 1 by x square we have to find. Okay. What is the given thing? Okay. Using that we have to find x square plus 1 by x square. First for given thing, write it squaring on both the sides. We have to square both the sides. That is x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 21 by 10 whole square. Both the sides we are doing. Okay. Now we know like a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Same model, open it. A square means here x square plus b square, that is 1 by x square minus 2a. A value is again x, and what is the b value here? 1 by x. Right side value 21 square, numerator 21 square is 21 into 21. It is 441. Denominator 100 square is 10 square is 100. Clear? 21 square is 441 and 10 square is 100. Now this x cancel. Okay. X square plus 1 by x square, what is remaining? Just number minus 2 is equal to 441 by 100. What is asking question actually? X square plus 1 by x square. That's why this minus 2 transpose right side. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 441 by 100 plus 2. If you take right side, it is plus 2. Now take LCM right side. LHS side we got x square plus 1 by x square. But RHS simplify. 100 is the LCM. Here 441 plus 100 into 2. It is 200. 441 plus 200. It is 641 by 100. The answer of x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, what is answer here? 641 by 100. Now factorize x square minus 6 root 2x plus 18. Factorization, how to do, I think splitting the middle term. Okay, here x square coefficient is what is 1 into 18. 1 into 18 is equal to what is 18. 18 factors we have to write. What are the 18 factors? We know 6 into 3 and 9 into 2 also, and 18 ones are 18 also possible. But 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11, both are not possible. But middle one, what is one is a rational, one is irrational. Using that we have to write. Okay, how to write I will show you here. Minus 6, what is the number actually? Minus 6, rational number. Using this, first you change it. I am changing this as a minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3, what is answer? Minus 6. Okay, 3 into 3, what is answer? It's a 9. I am changing this minus 6 root 2 as minus 3 root 2 and minus 3 root 2. Okay, now I am writing this is a rational number including irrational number now. Minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2. It is minus 6 root 2. Now these two multiply. If add, we got it. If you multiply, what we have to get? 18 plus 18 we have to get. It's correct or not? Just verify it. Minus 3 root 2 into minus 3 root 2. Okay. First, rational numbers multiply. Minus 3 into minus 3. These two multiply. Minus 3 into minus 3. It's a 9. It's a plus 9. Okay. Root 2 into root 2. What is the answer? Root 4. Then root 4 value, you know what is it? 9. 9 2s are 18. I think you got it. When you multiply, you got 18. When add it, you got minus 6 root 2. Split the middle term now. X square minus the 6 root 2, how I am writing here? Minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 and last one is plus 18. Yes. What is the common term here? X, here also x, because here 6 root 2 x is there. Then x common in this. What is the remaining? X minus 3 root 2. Clear? In this also same thing, 18 is there. Here minus 3 root 2. If you take common, what is the single term? X. Then again here also 3 root 2. If you know just now, you multiply 3 root 2, 3 root 2, what is answer? It is 18 only. Again here also same. 3 3 is a 9 and root 2 into root 2, what is again? 2. Okay, now finally x minus 3 root 2 is a common term in this. X minus 3 root 2 into x minus 3 root 2. That is the factorization of x square minus 6 root 2x plus 18. Two factors.